All right, so that was an Abus 8840 with the Abus Plus disc detainer core, the same one that's in the 8850. So I'm hoping I can use this for my brown belt. That being said, sorry I'm not in my lock lab. So I gotta do it a little different, and I've got what I need, I hope. And I got a monitor over here so I can hopefully keep everything on camera. So let's gut this pig. Sorry, just a second. Okay. Keep all this on camera. Oh, okay. And sorry, I'm a little shaky. That's only the second time I've ever been able to pick this. Okay, so there is the screw. There's one of my ball bearings holding the core retainer. Okay, there's the other ball bearing holding my core washer. And then let's see here, where's the other? I'm gonna try to turn it back. Zero there. Okay, unscrew our cap. Oh, should have used the tool I have. Okay. There's my cap. Just gonna set it right there. Free spinning disc right there on top. Let's see how much space we're gonna need. Okay, disc 1 with the hourglass shape, a spacer. Oh, I hope I didn't take it off camera. I wasn't paying attention. Okay. There's the disc and spacer. Now, the reason I did the 8840 is because I'm very familiar. I've taken it apart a bunch, and I have a few of them on hand because I was doing the 8840 cutaways. But since it's the same core, I'm hoping they will allow me to use this as my brown belt entry. All right, and then spacer. Disc, washer, disc, washer. Oh, disc and washer, sorry, or spacer. There's the disc and there's the spacer that stuck to it. And once again, it did it again. So, disc, spacer, and the very last one with the hourglass shape once again at the bottom. Okay. There's the sidebar. There's the empty core. Actuator. The 2 ball bearings and the shackle. And, okay, let's move the ball bearings. Move those ball bearings there, okay? And then hopefully get a good close-up of all of my discs. And that is everything. And since I have made cutaways of these, so the 8840 cutaways, I've taken them apart and put it back together plenty of times, so I hope it's obvious that I would know how to put this together. So anyway, thank you so much if you are joining me. That was my pick of the Abus 8840 with plus disc detainer core. Oh, and there's the other key. There's the instructions. There's the registration card with it. That's everything. It's all original. Thank you very much if you're joining me, and if you have any questions of how I modified this, I did have to modify the tip, and then I took a lot of time calibrating this so it was set properly, well, close. So each one of these lines would have been spacers. Each one of the black sections would have been my discs. And then the very first disc would have been buried up here. So right there would have been right above there. And then you can see my picking tip is in line with my pointer, so I know exactly where I am there, so I'm not accidentally spinning discs that I don't want, or if I do spin them, I can spin them back. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on that. And that's everything I've got. Everybody have a great day. Sushi out.